Have you ever pondered on the chilling reality of human rights abuses and the impact it has on societies at a global level? Today, we delve into the shadows of Zimbabwe, unearthing a disturbing narrative that has been brought to light by the Biden administration. It is alleged that President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government shows a concerning lack of political will to confront the scourge of human rights abuses within its jurisdiction. In the year 2023, the United States government released a human rights report on Zimbabwe. In this report, it was revealed that significant human rights cases, including credible reports of arbitrary or unlawful killings, extrajudicial killings, cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment, along with harsh and life-threatening prison conditions, have been largely ignored by the government. According to the report, the government has failed to take any credible steps to identify, investigate or prosecute officials who may have committed these human rights abuses. One such case is the story of Persuade Mandara. On the 15th of September, Mandara was reportedly killed in Mashonaland's Central Province by the Zimbabwe Republic Police during an investigation of a grain theft case. Not even lawyers are safe. On the 14th of January, KUTYA, a member of Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, was assaulted by members of the ZRP while responding to a call for legal assistance by a group of opposition supporters. The assault resulted in a fractured hand for Kadzera. The report also highlighted the deplorable conditions of prisons in Zimbabwe, marked by overcrowding, food shortages, and a lack of water. It paints a grim picture of infestations of lice, blanket shortages in cold seasons, and prisoners lacking access to personal hygiene products, sanitary conditions, and medical care. The report further alleges that arbitrary arrest and detention are used as tools of intimidation and harassment by the government against opposition party members, political activists, civil society members, and journalists. Moreover, the United States government accused the Zimbabwean government of violating citizens' property rights. A notable instance of this occurred on the 7th of January, when two activists from the ruling party seized a sugar plantation belonging to a white commercial farmer in Mwenezi, Masvingo province. This seizure left the owners and scores of workers and their children homeless. In conclusion, the United States government's Human Rights Report on Zimbabwe in 2023 unveiled a disheartening reality. A reality of human rights abuses, a reality of government apathy, and a reality of a society living in fear. It's a call for the world to pay attention, to act, and to fight for those who can't. Because human rights are universal, and everyone deserves to live in a world where they are respected and protected.